Did you know you can unlock incredible flexibility in just 10 minutes a day? Most people think flexibility requires hours of effort or expensive classes, but there's an easier way and it works for everyone. Think about this. How often do you feel stiff after sitting 4 hours, or wake up with aches that linger throughout the day? For many of us, the hustle and bustle of daily life leaves little room for stretching or self-care. Over time, this stiffness leads to poor posture, limited mobility, and even an increased risk of injury. But what if I told you that you could reverse all of this with a simple, 10-minute stretching routine? Yes, it's possible, and the benefits go far beyond just feeling limber. Why flexibility matters. Ignoring flexibility isn't just uncomfortable, it can quietly impact your overall health. Poor posture. Tight muscles throw your body out of alignment, causing back and neck pain. Mobility loss. Everyday tasks like bending, reaching, or twisting become harder. Higher injury risk. Stiff muscles and joints struggle to handle sudden movements or strain. The good news: you don't need a complete lifestyle overhaul to fix this. The 10-minute stretching routine, designed for even the busiest schedules. This routine targets your body's key tension points while improving your range of motion. Step 1. Warm up 2 minutes. Neck rolls. Slowly rotate your head in circles to ease neck tension. Arm circles. Loosen tight shoulders with forward and backward movements. Step 2. Targeted stretches 4 minutes. Hamstring stretch. Sit with one leg extended, reaching for your toes. Hold for 20 seconds on each side. Cat-cow pose. On all fours. Alternate arching and rounding your back to improve spinal flexibility. Step 3. Full body flow 4 minutes. Downward dog to cobra. Transition between these poses to stretch your back, core, and hamstrings. Standing side stretch. Reach one arm overhead and lean sideways, holding for 20 seconds per side.